So hello guys, today we are going to talk about top 3 things that you must do if your PC is infected with ransomware. Firstly, the virus usually enters your computer whenever you try to download something like Premium, Plus, Cracks or mods of any application through any untrusted source. Take the example of mine. Just yesterday my PC got infected and all my data including pictures, documents, files and all my database got encrypted with an extension .NUSM and a readme text containing I have to pay $980 to them for the decryption tool, and I was totally worried what to do that time. After doing a lot of research, I found 3 most useful things everyone must try out. Number 1. Installing Malwarebytes. Seriously, this is not a sponsored video, but installing this software will definitely going to help you, as it is a free to use antivirus software. It will remove every single piece of virus from your computer. Just download it and log in to get a 14-day free trial. No credit card required, just by simply login. After you have done this step of removing the whole shit of virus from your computer, it's time to recover your encrypted files. Number 2. It basically contains 2 things to do. If your files are encrypted with extension other than .NUSM, then you can try installing MCSoft's Stop DJ View Decryptor tool. It will surely going to help you to decrypt your files. And secondly, you can try System Restore. Yes, you need not to worry if you haven't backed up your system. There always exists a previous date to which you can restore your system. Although sadly only C drive will be recovered through that. And the last, number 3. As the hacker has mentioned in the readme text that he can decrypt any one file for free, you have to make use of that statement. As you can see on the screen, I have sent him 3 files to decrypt as a sample. And I know if I tell him that I am ready to buy that software, he will definitely decrypt that for me. So now just take out your most important files that you must get decrypted and send it to them via different mobile phones with different email IDs. Keep in mind, don't be greedy. Don't send them more than 4 to 5 files via one email, and don't pay them a single penny. Just decrypt your most important files via this method and wait for some time until a new or updated free decryptor tool is out by MCSoft or other brands. Bonus point. Don't never ever try to contact with these type of scammers. They will tell you to talk to them on Instagram and ask you money like $50 to decrypt your system. Trust me, they are useless. They will just take money from you in Bitcoin and then block you. So don't talk to these scammers. I know it is going to be a very hard time, but from the next time keep in mind to regularly take a backup of your system. Installing an antivirus software will help you prevent these type of virus from entering your system. So that is it for today guys. If you have any query, you can write it in the comment section. I will reply every comment. So stay safe, goodbye and be preventive.